We'll solve some problem based on the solid state chapters, and the topic is our unit cells. So here metallic element has a cubic lattice. Each age of the unit cell is 2.88 angstrom. The density of the metal is 7.2 gram per centimeter cube. So how many unit cell will be there in 100 gram of the metal? So here we know the one age length is how much they have given. So 2.88 angstrom. Okay, this is given here, so we can write in AQ. So if you write in centimeter, so it will become here 2.88 into 10 power minus 18 centimeter. So this becomes your not it is, it will 8 centimeter, it becomes your 8 centimeter. So again, volume of 100 gram of metal. So this is given for the per gram centimeter. So 1 gram is this much centimeter. So we have to find how many unit cells will be there in 100 gram of metal. So again, mass by density. So mass is given here 100 gram and density is 7.2 gram. So volume of 100 gram will be how much? So volume for 100, so this is your first 2.8 gram. AQ will be how much? AQ will be your 2.88 into 10 power minus 8. So again you cube root, multiply it, so it will be cube, not cube, it will be cube. So on solving you will get here 23.9 into 10 to power minus 24 centimeter cube. Now volume for 100 gram of metal will be how much? So it will be nothing but the mass by density, mass of the cell by density of the cell. So mass by mass is nothing but it's given here 100 and density is given here 7.2 gram, so which is nothing but equal to your, it will come about 13.9 centimeter cube. So again here number of unit cell will be how much? So it will be your 13.9 divided by 23.9 into 10 to the power minus 24. So it answer will come about 5.82 into 10 to the power 23. So this is basically our answer. Second question, lithium borohydride crystallizes in a orthorhombic system with 4 molecules per unit cell. The unit cell dimensions are A equal to 6.81 angstrom, B 4.43 angstrom, and C 7.17 angstrom. If the molecular weight of the lithium borohydride is 21.76 gram per mole, calculate the density of the crystal. So density we can find out. So density is nothing but Z into M and divided by Avogadro number into volume. So Z is nothing, so Z will be here, volume is ABC, so Z is your 4 and your molar mass is 21.76. Avogadro number we know that 6.023 into 10 power 23, and volume they have given 6.81 into 4.43 multiplied by 7.17 into 10 power minus 24. So we will get answer 0.668 gram per centimeter cube. So this is our answer. Room temperature, and the polonium crystallizes in a primitive cubic unit cells. If A is equal to 3.36 angstrom, calculate the theoretical density of polonium. Its atomic weight is 209 gram per mole. This is mole, MOL mole. Write here properly. This is MOL mole. So again, volume is given how much? AQ, so that is nothing but the 3.36 that is into 10 to the power minus 8 whole cube. So this will becomes some value. So right here density equal to Z into M divided by Avogadro number into volume. So this will come out, Z is 1, this is a BCC, primitive unit cells. So here Z is equal to 1, so 1 into 209 again divided by 6.023 into 10 to the power 23, and here volume is, this volume put here 3.36 into 10 power minus 8 whole cube. So on solving we will get here 9.15 gram per centimeter cube. So this is our answer. An organic compound crystallizes in a orthorhombic system with 2 molecules per unit cell. The unit cell dimensions are 12 this angstrom, 15.05 angstrom, 2.69 angstrom. Okay, so if the density of the crystal is 1.419 gram per centimeter cube, calculate the molecular mass of the organic compound. So you can use the same formula. Density of the unit cell is equal to, we know that Z into M divided by Avogadro number into here volume. So we have to find the molecular mass. So we can rearrange this equation: molecular mass into density to Avogadro number divided into volume divided by Z. So for this value, every value is given over here. So right here 1.419 is the density, and Avogadro number we know that is 623 into 10 to the power 23, and volume of unit cell is given here. So we have 3 volume. So right here 12.05 multiplied by 15.05 multiplied by 2.69 into 10 power 24. So this will come in centimeters, and Z will be your 2. This is the unit cells. On solving, we will get here 209 per mole. So this is the molecular mass of the orthorhombic system. Density of the solid organ is 1.65 gram per ml at minus 233 centigrade. So if the organ atoms is assumed to be a sphere of radius 1.5.10 per minus 8 centimeter, what percentage of solid organ is apparently empty space? So first you find volume of one atom of organ will be how much? 4 by 3 pi r cube, and number of atoms in 1.65 gram will be of organ will be how much? 1.65 divided by 40 into Avogadro number. So total volume will be total volume of all atoms of organ in solid state. In solid state will be 4 by 3 pi r cube multiplied by 1.65 into 40 into Avogadro number. So on solving, you will get here 0.380 centimeter cube. Okay. So what is the radius? Radius already we know that it is 1.5.10 by minus 8 centimeter cube. So we get answer this here 8 centimeter. Now volume of solid organ will be 1 centimeter cube. So percentage of empty space will be 1 minus 0.38 divided by 1 into 100. So we will get answer 62%. So this is our answer. Cesium bromide crystallizes in the cubic systems. Its unit cell has a cesium plus ion at the body center and the bromide ion at each corner. Its density is 4.44 gram centimeter cube. Determine the length of the unit cell. So here volume is how much? So volume is A cube, that is A cube is equal to mass of unit cell divided by density. So it will come about 2.81 multiplied by 1.66 into 10 power 24 and divided by density is 4.44. So here mass of cesium bromide is 212.81, and you keep remember 1 U is equal to 1.66 into 10 power minus 24 gram. This we know already. So here A cube will be how much? 7.95 into 10 power minus 23 centimeter cube. So A will be under cube root of 79.5 into 10 power minus 24. So you will get answer 4.3 into 10 power minus 8 centimeter, or we can say 4.3 angstrom. So this is our answer. Potassium fluoride has NaCl structure. Its density is 2.48 gram per centimeter cube and its molar mass is 58 gram per mole. Compute the distance between potassium plus and fluoride ions in Kf. So here, since NaCl is, they have FCC structure, they have FCC structure. So we can say that for a phase center cubic center, for phase FCC cubic lattice. So in FCC cubic lattice, what happened? Distance between cations plus anions is that the distance between cations plus anions is equal to half of the edge length of the FC center. So this is the basically our formula. So now again we know that AQ is equal to volume of the unit cell equal to density Z into M divided by density of unit cell into Avogadro number. So here Z is equal to 4 or M is equal to 58 gram per mole. Okay, and density we know that is 2.48 gram per centimeter cube. So this is given here. So we can write here A cube is equal to 4 into 58 divided by 2.48 into 6.023 into 10 to power 23. So on solving we will get answer here 155.318 into 10 to the power minus 24 centimeter cube. So we will get A answer 5.375 into 10 to the power minus 8 centimeter, or we can say 537.5 picometer. So this is the answer, picometer. So R plus and R minus will be how much? A divided by 2. So A divided by 2 means 537.5 divided by 2. So we will get answer 268.7 picometer. So this is our answer, which is nothing but the distance between potassium and fluoride. So this is our answers. An ionic solid A plus B minus crystallizes as a body center a cubic structure. The distance between cation and anion in the lattice is 338 picometer. So calculate the edge length of the unit cell. So now you know that for a BCC unit cell, we already know that unit cell R plus and R minus is equal to root 3 into A by 2. So this is our relationship. So here we can find A is equal to 2 by root 3 into R plus and R minus. So but again you know that R plus and R minus is how much? So this we have given, but how much they have given? They have given here 338 picometer. So we can write this value over here. So A is equal to 2 by root 3 into 338 picometer. So you will get answer 676 divided by 1.732. So here answer will be 390.3 picometer. So this is our answers.